Welcome back to the channel. And as you've seen in the past two videos, we've installed headlights, the LED tail lights, and tonight, LED fog lights.
Yes, sir.
And it's getting the rain. We know this is going to light up like the DRLs did in the headlights, but we're thinking also it's supposed to blink. So, ready?
Yeah, man. Let's get started.
Well, let's do it. We're going to have to drop the sway bar down because of this bumper not being stock.
Yeah, the fog lights are quite a bit higher than stock.
Yeah. And the sway bar just so happens to be
right in the way.
Right in the way. Yeah, it's going to keep us from being able to get in there to get this up in there. So we're going to have to just release the 4 bolts that retain it, pull it down, slide these up. We're going to bolt them up first. It's a plug and play kit. So we're going to hook those up as well. You know, I don't know if we're going to have to use this one because that plug looks more like that one. So we'll look at that too while we're down there. We may be able to discharge this, but we got to wire up the halos.
Yep.
So you ready to get started? Let's knock it out. Once again, guys, shout out to High Beam Off-Road for the lights. The only thing we noticed last night with the headlights was the red pigment, or the red LED was out in a couple spots,
yeah,
which is no big deal. I mean, you've seen the video in the dark with the rock lights on. Alex, the owner, is going with a green theme on it, so the only ones we needed to work
obviously
were the green. So
yep,
we're good as golden. So let's get this thing going. You ready?
Yep. For anyone with aftermarket bumper, we are pulling the bolts off of the mounts right there, the front, and this should just drop straight down and give us enough clearance to get up into the bumper right here.
Yes, sir.
So let's do it.
All right, guys. So as you can tell, the JKU is done. We got the fog lights in. This was some heavy modification right here. Let me tell you.
Yeah, I gave up, man. It was peeing me off. My arms couldn't reach
Yeah.
the bolts.
They were really hard with this bumper. Now, if you've got a stock JKU and you decide to put these fog lights in, it's really easy.
Yeah,
really
you have clearance. You don't have to really loosen anything or fight with anything.
Instead of these LEDs being up and down, they would actually turn sideways and face normal.
Yeah, and you'd have a wider light.
Right.
Instead of a narrow.
We're more like this instead of like this. But it's done, and we found out something cool. This bumper is very useful.
Oh, yeah.
You can use it as a pull-up bar.
Yeah.
So you can get some exercise, just lay on the ground, do some pull-ups.
Oh, yeah.
Because that's how we've gotten up every single time is this here. But I mean, this is going to wrap up the Jeep.
Yeah, man.
We only got one more thing to do to it.
Unless,
tires up,
unless Alex looks into any more mods, the OE blinkers. He needs to get those. But besides that, if he gets anything new for it, then we'll be putting it on for him.
Yeah, we will. I mean, we are his one-stop shop now. So.
Yep. Yeah, same with Remy, Adam.
There's a lot of people. KP.
KP.
Us.
Yeah, us.
The Wicked Stoner Panda. Tristan. We're the one-stop shop. Now, he does do some mechanic work himself. He did his brakes, so when he gets in depth, he gives us a call. So.
Yep.
But guys, man, we're done.
Done with the Jeep
for the night, and it's not that late. So
surprisingly.
Yeah, I'm gonna wash my hands up, go play some Madden, get ready to take a shower.
I'm gonna take Barney for a spin, get some gas.
Yeah, you're gonna take Barney for a spin. I'm gonna air the tires up in this thing because we got a low tire light. But other than that, guys, thank you for watching. We appreciate everything you do. Once again, we are working on some window stickers. Once we get them in and figure out how we're going to sell them, we'll let you guys know.
And t-shirts.
Yeah, and we're working on t-shirts too.
Spin around real quick, man.
Oh, yeah, look. Oh, I'm wearing the gray one.
Yeah.
I got the gray one on, dark gray. Thanks again, Rhonda, for
hooking us up.
Hooking us up with shirts.
No, we gotta figure out if we're gonna sell them with the Champion brand or Gildan. We don't know yet.
Yeah, we went Champion because we're kind of rough on shirts, especially being down here in the shop.
Oh, yeah.
So, and they fit good.
Yeah, I like Champion fit better. Gildan's good, but I just like Champion.
What's going to be cost efficient?
Yeah, it's Gildan.
Yeah, I mean we're gonna push our merch for a while,
and
then it make it to where
we're gonna be changing it up all the time.
Yeah, and we might have to look at an outside source eventually someday too.
Yeah, just for production.
Production and sell it too. I mean,
yeah.
I know one company, One Stop Shop.
In Texas.
Yep. Maybe fly out there and
talk to him, see what's up.
Yeah, maybe get on one of his channels, playing with some
pew-pews.
Pew-pews, yeah. All right, guys, let's go wrap it up. One thing real quick, and then I swear I will go. Guys, look, I want to tell you something. This is hard. Doing YouTube's not easy. And me and Jacob both have full-time jobs. He's working 50 hours a week, and so am I. And I'm getting pulled everywhere, every which way. But
yeah, I'm driving all day, hopping out, getting cold, hot, right. Dealing with people. So, oh man.
Another YouTuber happened to post a video saying that he's not really pushing YouTube no more. You know who I'm talking about.
Yep.
It's just a 6. Gavin's got 4 or 5 businesses, and people gave him crap for it.
Yeah.
And he posted back, and he was not happy with it. I mean, guys.
Yeah, he's doing what he's wanted to do. Yeah, he wanted to do YouTube, and he took that leap of faith. He dropped out of college.
Yeah, and now look where he's at.
Yeah, I mean, he has businesses that he's running himself.
I mean, that's our ultimate goal here too. Is not just
YouTube. Aftermath Garage. We want to expand.
Yeah, Aftermath Garage, maybe.
Aftermath Garage tools or exhaust or
whatever the case may be.
Yeah.
And when that point comes, you may see more people pop in on the channel.
Or even like car care, you know?
Yeah, right. Detail shops. I mean,
who knows?
The sky's the limit with YouTube.
Especially the automotive industry.
Yeah.
Because there's so many things
that we can do.
Yeah.
So, in advance, especially if any of our viewers do watch Gavin, back off.
Yeah, dude.
I mean, I'm not trying to be rude. I'm not trying to push nobody away. But let him do him, and we're here for you. So, guys, remember, Instagram's down below. Follow us on Facebook, Aftermath Garage YouTube channel. It's easy. Go hit us up. Also,
comment,
subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe, hit the notification bell.
Share. Get us out there. But other than that, guys, do what the shirt says.
Dream big.
See you.